ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present Sunstop Silk. It is a specially formulated sunscreen for daily use. It is specially designed sunscreen infused with antioxidant and moisturizer, which works a double duty against sun's harmful rays. It protects against the UVA and UV rays. Now I'll tell you the benefits. It prevents and protects from photoaging. It is absorbed quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Sunstop Silk assures a soft and velvety feel. It is non-comedogenic and suitable for all skin types. I'll tell you how you will use the cream. Pump the bottle of Sunstop Silk cream onto your hand and rub it on the face. Repeat the application every 2 hours for continued sun protection. This pack contains 50 grams and it is marketed by Ajanta.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and